Bull Terriers are real tough guys with a big heart. Bull Terriers are dogs with a unique appearance. Their egg-shaped head and small triangular eyes make them easy to recognize. Their muscles are like armor. Bull Terriers are strong and hardy, which makes them great athletes and companions for active people. Bull Terriers are social animals. They love to be the center of attention and communicate with people and other dogs. Did you know that Bull Terriers are great protectors? They can be very loyal and protect their owners from any threat. Their character is a mixture of energy and stubbornness. Bull Terriers can be very stubborn, but they are always ready to play and have fun. Bull Terriers are also masters of tricks. They can learn to perform complex commands and even participate in dog sports. Their coat is like a plush blanket. Bull Terriers have short, smooth coats that require minimal grooming. Bull Terriers are a symbol of strength and loyalty. They are often depicted in movies and books as loyal and brave friends. Did you know that Bull Terriers can live up to 12 to 14 years? That's like living more than a decade just playing and protecting your loved ones. And finally, Bull Terriers are an important part of the family. They bring joy and energy to the home, making their owners' lives brighter and more fun. Bison are the real giants of the prairies. Bison are the largest land mammals in North America. They can weigh up to a ton and reach a height of 2 meters. That's like a small car on 4 legs. Their fur is like a warm blanket. Bison have thick fur, which helps them survive in harsh winter conditions. Bison are herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, and even tree bark. And an adult bison can eat up to 25 kilograms of vegetation per day. Did you know that bison are excellent runners? They can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and jump up to 2 meters. Their horns are like weapons. Bison have powerful horns, which they use for defense and fights with rivals. Bison are also masters of camouflage. Their coloring helps them blend into the environment, making them almost invisible to predators. Their herds are like large families. Bison live in groups that can number hundreds of individuals, and together they protect themselves from predators. Bison are a symbol of strength and endurance. They are often depicted in myths and legends as wise and noble creatures. Did you know that bison were on the verge of extinction? In the 19th century, they were almost completely exterminated, but thanks to the efforts of conservationists, their population was restored. And finally, bison are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control plant growth and maintain balance in nature. Rhinos are the tanks of the savanna. Rhinos are some of the largest land animals. They can weigh up to 2.5 tons. That's like 2 small cars stacked on top of each other. Their horn is not bone, but tightly compressed keratin, the same material that our hair and nails are made of. And yes, if the horn breaks, it can grow back. Rhinos are herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, and branches, but despite their size, they can go without water for several days. Did you know that rhinos have poor eyesight? They can barely see further than 30 meters, but they have excellent hearing and smell. Rhinos are loners. They prefer to live on their own, except for mothers with cubs. Their skin can be up to 5 centimeters thick, but it is very sensitive. Rhinos often roll in the mud to protect themselves from the sun and insects. Rhinos are also excellent runners. Despite their size, they can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Rhinos are ancient animals. They have existed on Earth for over 50 million years and have hardly changed during this time. Did you know that baby rhinos are called calves? They can walk within a few hours of birth. And finally, rhinos are a symbol of strength and endurance. Unfortunately, they are endangered due to poaching. Hippos are real river giants. Hippos are one of the largest land animals. They can weigh up to 3 tons. That's like 3 small cars stacked on top of each other. Their skin is like armor. Hippos have thick skin that protects them from the sun and predators, but it is very sensitive and requires constant moisture. Hippos are herbivores. They eat grass and leaves, and an adult hippopotamus can eat up to 40 kilograms of vegetation per day. Did you know that hippos are excellent swimmers? They can spend up to 16 hours in the water to cool off and protect their skin from the sun. Their mouth is like a gate. Hippos have a huge mouth that can open 150 degrees and powerful teeth that they use for defense. Hippos are also masters of camouflage. Their coloring helps them blend into the water and mud, making them almost invisible to predators. Their voice is like thunder. Hippos make loud sounds that can be heard up to 2 kilometers away. Hippos are a symbol of water and life. They are often depicted in myths and legends as wise and noble creatures. Did you know that hippos can live up to 40 years? That's like living 4 decades just swimming and eating grass. And finally, hippos are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control plant growth and maintain balance in nature. Chimpanzees are the real intellectuals of the animal world. Chimpanzees are our closest relatives. We share 98% of our genes with them, and they can use tools just like us. Their brain is like a computer. Chimpanzees can solve complex problems, remember sequences of actions, and even learn sign language. Chimpanzees are social animals. They live in groups called communities and communicate using sounds, gestures, and facial expressions. Did you know that chimpanzees are excellent hunters? They can hunt small animals like monkeys and even use primitive weapons. Their hands are like tools. Chimpanzees can use sticks to get termites out of their nests and stones to crack nuts. Chimpanzees are also masters of camouflage. Their coloring helps them blend into their environment, making them almost invisible to predators. Their emotions are just like ours. Chimpanzees can feel joy, sadness, anger, and even empathy. Chimpanzees are a symbol of intelligence and cleverness. They are often depicted in myths and legends as wise and noble creatures. Did you know that chimpanzees can live up to 50 years? That's like living half a century just playing and hanging out with your friends. And finally, chimpanzees are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control animal populations and maintain balance in nature. The eagle is the true king of the sky. Eagles are predators with incredible vision. They can spot prey from a height of several kilometers. It's like seeing an ant from the roof of a skyscraper. Their wings are real instruments for flight. The eagle's wingspan can reach 2.5 meters, which allows them to soar in the air for hours, almost without flapping their wings. Eagles are symbols of strength and freedom. Their images can be found on the coats of arms, flags, and even money of many countries. Did you know that eagles are monogamous? They choose a mate for life and build nests together, which can weigh up to a ton. Their nests are real fortresses. Eagles add to them every year, and some nests are used for decades. Eagles are excellent hunters. They can grab prey that weighs more than themselves and carry it away in their claws. Eagles are also long-lived. In the wild, they can live up to 30 years, and even longer, in captivity. Their claws and beaks are deadly weapons. Eagles can tear prey apart and even break bones. Did you know that eagles can fly at speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour? It's like racing a sports car. And finally, eagles are an important part of the ecosystem. They help control small animal populations and maintain balance in nature.